Welcome to 3D comparison. This will be regarding Fusion 360. So I have over here an assembly. And as you can see, I have the following surface base over here, shape of the bottle. This one will be a freeform. So we're going to see that it will be editable over here within the freeform environment. And the other one will be actually a revolve from surface. Now, when we want to assemble components, we're going to see that there are some weakness of using freeform. If I will hide this bottle cap over here, so we're gonna have an additional one over here, and I want to assemble those, I can go over here within joint, and as you can see, if I'm gonna go over here, this is a step file. If I'm just gonna select it over here, we're gonna see that it will automatically understand that maybe I wanna center that middle of the bottom cylinder and circle. So we're gonna have that snapped over there. If I will go over here, this will be the surface base model. As we can see, I can go and I can select those 4 points that will define that circle. But if I'm just going to move the mouse over here, I'm going to have the possibility to snap that over here directly. And we can easily align it like this. Now, if for the selection, I will delete that and I will try to use the freeform, we're going to see that in this case, the freeform will only have those lines over here that were used to generate this. So it's a little bit more complicated to snap that. I have the possibility over here to add thickness to both since they are just surface based. If I'm going to press S and I'm going to type in thicken, let's say that, for example, I want over here 1 millimeter. I can select also the direction. In this case, it will be as following. And I will do the same for the freeform over here. We're going to see that now if I want to assemble, and again, I will use the join. In this case, I can select that I want to center the cap. And again, for this model, which is a surface base, we're going to have that snapping over here. So I can just click and it will automatically be snapped into location. But for the other one over here, for the freeform, we're going to see that it will actually not find that. So this is a tricky part where we want to align components that are made using freeform. We have the possibility to use over here the align tool. So we see align. In this case, we want to align components. And I want to align from that one over here to this one. And we're going to see that it will actually be aligned like this. So all we have to do afterwards is to select this one, and using the move copy, we need to relocate it. And after that, I just want to make sure that our bottle over here will be roughly the same shape. So we can go ahead and we can modify this. We can scale this. We can add an additional extrusion over here. And then we can make it coincident to that bottle over here. But keep in mind that when you are working with freeform, one of the limitations over here is the fact that the joint tool over here that will allow us to assemble components will not actually work that good. But as we saw over there, we have the possibility to use the align tool, which will be located over here under modify. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find an additional video regarding Fusion over here on the left side. And you can consider to subscribe if you want to check for additional content regarding Fusion 360. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.